Some 2021 to 2023 model year Sienna hybrid vehicles may exhibit a mill-on condition with diagnostic trouble code, DDC, P060694, hybrid/EV powertrain control module processor unexpected operation, present. The hybrid vehicle control computer logic has been modified to reduce the possibility of this DDC setting incorrectly. Follow video to address this condition. Flash reprogramming allows the electronic control unit software to be updated without replacing the ECU. Flash calibration updates for specific vehicle models/ECUs are released as field-fixed procedures described in individual service bulletins. This video shows the Techstream ECU flash reprogramming process and outlines use of TS and the Calibration Update Wizard, CUW. To ensure the correct ECU software is installed, ECUs will require a security signature before the ECU will initialize the flash reprogramming sequence.